this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me today. I want to do a few quick, easy, inexpensive, beautiful Christmas, yes, Christmas home decor. I'm excited to begin doing some Christmas decor. So I'm not crazy. I'm just excited to start Christmas. And so if this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you will like this video and decide to become a subscriber. Join our family. I'd love for you to be a part of what we're doing. So I'm excited to do pink because I love girly stuff and I love lots of bling. And this DIY is going to be sponsored by Totally Dazzled, and I'm so thrilled and blessed that they have entrusted me to use their product. And guys, I must tell you, they have fantastic bling. If you are a glam girl, you will love Totally Dazzled. How fantastic is that? Beautiful. So I am thrilled, not only because it's Christmas, I'm using pink and I'm using Totally Dazzled items. So I'm going to link down below for you their website. You could go check these things out and incorporate it into your Christmas or even fall. They have amazing, I shared with you guys before, I'll link that down below as well, the video on my tablescape with the fall leaves. They have those as well. You're gonna need your fur, you're gonna need your foam wreath, you will need some embellishment, whatever you decide you want to use for your project. You'll need your glue gun, glue sticks, and of course your scissors. I don't believe I'm going to add any diamond wrap to this. I may add some pearls, and I do have a few pearls from the Dollar Tree, so I may add that. I'm not quite sure yet. So let's jump right into adding this fur onto the wreath. So guys, as I began to fluff out my flower, the reason why I decided I would use gold, because the flower, the poinsettia, has gold on the trimming on the outside of the leaves. But as I'm looking at it, I'm thinking, I think silver would pop better. So I decided that I want to add some of the Totally Dazzled silver diamond wrap, because the silver is snowflakes. How gorgeous is that? So I decided I want to do the silver instead of the gold. And because it's snowflakes, I think it's absolutely perfect. So that's what we're going to go with for this wreath. So now let's go ahead and string . Now this is how it turned out. And now that I've got everything in place where I want it to go, I can now add my rest of my diamond wrap. So I'm going to take the silver, start where the poinsettia is, right behind the leaf, lay some glue down, lay my diamond wrap down, and wrap it around the wreath. Don't tug on it. We don't want it to pull. We just want it to slightly wrap around each of the brooch. Just like that. So guys, this next DIY is going to be a Christmas tree. Now, if you don't know how to create a cone, I will link that video down below so you can check it out. So what I want to do is use the Totally Dazzled diamond wrap, which is the silver and the gold. Love it. This is the silver and the gold to create a Christmas tree. And I believe I want to add some of the gold and silver that I showed you earlier, gems. And I also want to incorporate some pearls, some of the Dollar Tree pearls. They're the peel and stick ones. You'll need your glue gun, glue sticks. You'll need the poster board from the Dollar Tree if you don't already have a cone to create a cone. And we can jump right into this DIY. First thing I want to do is to take my silver and my gold. So this is where we are, and I must tell you, I am totally loving that. Absolutely beautiful. So this next DIY is going to be a centerpiece. You can use it for fall, for Thanksgiving, for Christmas. I'm going to use it for Christmas right now. I went into Home Depot. They were getting rid of the foam. These are called packaging foam. And so they just toss them out. And I asked them and they said yes. So I was able to get a piece of foam. So what you're going to need is a piece of foam. I went ahead and cut a square out to just create a base. So that's what we're looking for, is to create a base. You're going to need Dollar Tree foam noodle, your glue gun, glue sticks, scissors, I'm using my serrated knife, foam board or cardboard, marble tissue paper or marble contact paper, or paint. Those are options for you. You will need some floral of your choice. We're going to jump into this DIY. The first thing I want to do is create 3 different levels. So guys, I went ahead and cut out the size of each of the foam. I went ahead and leave a little piece there. Then at the end, I will trim it down. So I went ahead and add pearls to the top and around the edges, and I wanted to do that with you guys. So I went ahead and add my top piece. Now I'm going to outline the top with some pearls. This is the Dollar Tree pearl. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like the way that these DIY turned out today. If you do, give me a thumbs up and share the videos with your family and friends. Because of your love and your support, my channel has the opportunity to grow, and I am so grateful to you. Thank you so much, and I will see you on my next DIY.